How to connect and troubleshoot an LG Smart Blu-ray disc player on your TV. Connecting an LG Smart Blu-ray disc player to your TV is easy. We'll show you how. If you have an HDMI TV or a monitor equipped with HDMI ports, you can connect it to your LG Smart Blu-ray disc player using an HDMI high-speed cable Type A. This is the simplest and best way to hook up your LG player. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the player's HDMI Out port. Connect the other end to any available HDMI in on your TV or monitor. On some players, there is a separate HDMI audio out port. In this case, be sure to use the port labeled Out to TV. Refer to the owner's manual of your TV or monitor on how to set the input or source to HDMI. For LG TVs, look for the input or plug icon button on the TV remote control and select the correct HDMI input where your player is connected. For example, if you connected the player on the HDMI 1 port of your LG TV, then make sure to select HDMI 1 on the input list so that your TV will show the signal from the player. A resolution mismatch error can occur if the TV does not accept the player's resolution. This could be due to accidentally changing the player output resolution or the TV having a lower resolution. Usually for small TVs with 720p resolution, you can reset the player output resolution to 480p/576p. To do this, press the Open/Close button to open the disc tray. Then press the Stop button for more than 5 seconds. Once you have a picture, go to the player settings by pressing the Home button on the remote control. Select Settings, then Display, then Resolution. Make sure to select the resolution that matches your display. If your TV resolution is only at 720p, then select 720p from the options. If the TV is not playing the audio from the player, the audio signal may be distorted or may not be outputting any sound at all. Try changing the player's audio output format to a different format. On the LG player remote control, press the Home button, then select Settings, then Audio, then Digital Output, then select PCM for compatibility. If there are noises or lines on the screen, check the HDMI cable. Proper cable length is generally limited to 14.75 feet, or 4.5 meters. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your Blu-ray disc player. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.